street rod to take a look at. A unique, especially in classics, just came in. 1940 Buick Special, two-door street rod. Call it kind of a wild raspberry metallic color. Cool looking color for a street rod. Of course, the big 1940 Buick grill. Now, underneath the hood of this one, 350 Chevy V8 powered. That is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the wheels here. You can see front disc brakes also. So power brakes with front disc. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, the underside of this car, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. More modern, updated headlights in this. A lot more efficient, a lot brighter. Take a look at the grille. Does have a nice luster as far as shine to it with the chrome. Is a little bit of pitting you can see in between each of the grates. But that iconic 40 Buick grill. Of course, this would have the hood that will open from either side. And you can see that in the still pictures also. We're going to start this up, let you take a look at the engine bay. Some other things going on underneath there. Headers, HEI ignition. We'll check into that a little closer here in a bit. Does have a cloth interior, bucket seats, shifter on the column. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Little service work that was recently done to this newer brake booster and master cylinder on there. And again, we'll be able to see that in a bit here when we start it up and check out that engine bay. Still pictures, once again, if you want to take a look at those, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. Is going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Does have seat belts all the way around in the car too if you're looking at taking friends, family members with you. Nice comfortable buckets in there. So also have power windows, center console. Sorry, I said the shifter was on the column earlier. Shifter on the floor, sorry about that. Does have a tilt column, as you can see. A little newer Stuart Warner style gauges. Of course, the AC controls down here, Pioneer stereo, and that does work also. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. There's gauges all working. Tachometer also. Again, radio does work. And AC blows cold. We got power steering, power brakes in this one. In cloth buckets, matching that kind of raspberry and gray. Nice armrests on both sides of them too. Comfortable ride. Headliner intact and in good shape. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. And again, that is paired with a 350 automatic transmission. And once again, shifter down on the floor. Not the column. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to open up both sides of this hood so you can see how that works. We'll take a look at the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here you can see how the hood's open both sides now. Cool look if you're at a show, want to show off your car. These do lock into place. The newer brake cylinder and booster. Nice master cylinder. Edelbrock intake, collar carb. Again, HEI ignition. AC, power brake, power steering, aluminum radiator, electric puller fan, smooth runner. Of course, here's where the latches are to unlatch the hood on each side. Smooth running 350 underneath there. So you're looking for a cool street ride in a wild raspberry color, 1940 Buick special two-door. Nice looking street ride. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. You can see the still pictures, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate or you call anytime.